Alright, hi guys, this is going to be my unboxing and review of these magnetic USB cables that I ordered on Amazon. I will be posting the link below in the description. I'm just trying to up my, obviously, YouTube channel. So let's take a look and see what's in the package. Hold on while I get it apart. Alright guys, so here's everything that's in the package. Give me 1 second. There we go, that should be better. So it comes with a 1-foot cable. They do light up on the end, and they are the swivel style. Obviously, you can see magnetic because it's sticking to it. That is the brand of the USB cable. So I believe it comes with, it's a 1-foot, a 3-foot, 2 6-foot, and obviously that long one there's a 10-foot. Then it comes with all your different little adapter pieces, your micro USB, your USB-Cs. Looks like you got iPhone in there as well. And then it looks like it's got this little holder thing, which I don't know what that's all about. But these are pretty slick. And then obviously owner's manual. Shows you how to use them. I mean, they're pretty self-explanatory. You stick them in the bottom of your phone. You take the bottom piece and it just sticks right to it. They are magnetic. I like them a lot. That's why I ended up buying a set, because I'm switching over to these completely. So yeah, I'll post the video link in the description below to where you guys can buy these on Amazon. And yeah, I'll post a video if there's any updates of if anything goes wrong with them. Alright, you guys have a good day.